Hi mga Beshi! Welcome back to my channel. Ito na ulit tayo sa part 2 ng aking UAE journey. And today, I'll answer one of the most asked questions. Bakit ako nag-resign sa first job ko? Actually, long story yan. And to be honest, hindi ko po pwedeng i-share lahat. May mga restrictions and personal reasons kasi. Pero I'll share a part of it para may idea kayo. So to be real, it was a forced resignation. Yes, medyo mabigat pakinggan, but it's okay na rin. So yung first job ko sa cosmetics was actually okay siya in many ways. Walking distance, yung accommodation, malapit sa beach. So, after work, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, pwede kaming mag-beach na, and yan, aliw-aliw, ganyan. Mababait naman yung mga katrabaho ko, but at the same time, may mga struggles din. Dalawa lang yung off per month, long hours, lalo na kapag holiday, talagang mag-OT ka kasi madaming orders and merong mga customers and limited growth. Parang walang next step up. And syempre, I also wanted to explore other opportunities. I won't go into details about the most painful part. And I hope you respect that. So, after nun, naghanap ako ng bagong opportunity. Nag-apply ako and then madami rin ako in-applyan before and ayun, natawagan ako for interview and thankfully natanggap ako. And yung second job ko dito sa UAE was a receptionist in a government company. At guess what? After just 2 months, na-promote ako as admin assistant. Then, after 4 months from being an admin assistant, naging secretary ako of the general manager. So, grabe, beshi, super bilis nung promotion. So, yung trabaho is maganda talaga. Kasi yung schedule niya is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. lang yung working hours. And 2 days off weekly. Talagang 2 days off. Unlike from the previous one is 2 off lang siya sa isang buwan. Pero ito, per week, 2 days off. So, walang pasok din pag holiday kasi nga it's a government company and on time yung salary and maganda yung benefits. Pero, syempre, hindi rin siya ganun ka-perfect. Meron din akong na-encounter na mga judgmental coworkers. Alam mo na, hindi mawawala yan kahit saan. Pero, I stayed strong, I focused on my work, and I learned a lot. So, nagtagal ako doon for 2 years and 2 months, and I really grew a lot during that time. Pero dumating din sa point na kailangan ko ulit mag-move on. May mga personal reasons and private issues na hindi ko pwedeng i-share. So, please, I hope you respect my privacy on that. Basta yung masasabi ko, every job teaches you something and I'm very thankful for everything I learned there. So, yun lang mga beshi. So, that's the reason bakit ako nawala din sa unang work ko. And that was my second job journey. From forced resign to fast promotion. So, grabe ang roller coaster, di ba? So, if you're also going through a job change or hard decision, just trust the process. May reason lahat yan. So, sa next vlog ko, I'll share my third job and what made it different. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I really appreciate all your support sa OFW journey ko. See you sa next kwento. Bye!